Welcome to Rajendra Tandon videos. We take up another portion of Vidur Niti. The word Vidur in Sanskrit carries the meaning of skilled, intelligent, and wise. These were the qualities in Mahatma Vidur, who was the Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Hastinapur, where his stepbrother Dhritarashtra was the king. Dhritarashtra was very partial in his conduct as a king, and he did not give his nephews, the Pandava brothers, their due in the running of the kingdom or part with a part of the kingdom. Vidur is celebrated for being a great scholar. He was an epitome of truthfulness, unbiased judgment, dutifulness, and unfaltering faith to Dharma. He is known for his nitis, chronicled in the form of conversation with his brother Dhritarashtra, which took place prior to the war of Kurukshetra. Vidur advised Dhritarashtra to come to peace with his nephews, the Pandava brothers, but neither Dhritarashtra nor his sons listened to him. Today's portion that I have taken up from Vidur Niti has got very important aspects. One is the value of character. Sheelam pradhanam purushe tad yasyeha pranashyati na tasya jivite nartho na dhanena na bandhubi. Character is the bedrock of a human being. If it is destroyed, his life, wealth, and his relatives are of no advantage to him. Truth could not have been better spoken than this. The Vidur continues dwelling upon the weaknesses of human beings when they follow their senses without thought. They indulge in liquor, undesirable activities, debauchery, and destroy themselves. Says Vidur, while liquor certainly intoxicates and is therefore undesirable, the desire to live a luxurious life intoxicates all the more. See how he brings the intoxication of by liquor and the intoxication by a desire to lead a luxurious life beyond one's means. It is so frightening because a person enamored of an indulgent life does not return to his senses before his downfall. Vidur says the world suffers from uncontrolled senses and resultant desires. Two things are linked. You desire because your senses compel you to do so. This results in unbridled indulgence. Everyone suffers thus, like the stars diminished in the presence of the sun. Wah, wah, wah. यो जितः पंचवर्गेन सहजेन आत्मकर्षिणा आपदस्तस्य वर्धन्ते शुक्लपक्षो ivudurat. The sufferings of a person who is overwhelmed by the five senses of touch, smell, sight, taste, and sound senses which lead the human beings astray, multiply like the waxing moon. The sufferings multiply like the waxing moon. Avijitya ya atmanam amatyan vijigishate amitran vajitamatya so avashah parihiyate. A king who, without first conquering his five senses and the mind, asks his ministers to comply with his orders, or who, without subordinating his advisors, wants to conquer his enemies, is soon deserted by his public. Atman meva prathamam dvesha rupena yo jayet tato atyan mitranscha na mogham vijigishate. A king who takes them on as his enemies and conquers his five senses and the wandering mind surely succeeds in being victorious over his ministers as well as his enemies. Vidur continues, a sober king who has conquered his senses and his wayward mind, who awards punishment to the guilty and undertakes a task only after weighing the pro and con, has Lakshmi always at his beck and call. Rajan, the human body is like a chariot of which the soul is the charioteer. Rataha sharira purushasya rajan natma niyate indriyanasya chashva. The sensory perceptions are the horses geared to pull the chariot. An ever alert man who has reined them, who is dexterous, clever, and in control of himself, travels on this chariot of life in joy and peace. This is true for all of us. Control of senses, difficult, yet it has to be achieved. To live in joy and peace, to travel in the chariot of life in joy and peace. The senses, when not reined, are powerful enough to destroy a man. In Gita, Krishna too says that man is our biggest enemy if not conquered. And senses move the man. The senses, when not reined, are powerful enough to destroy a man, just as untamed and uncontrollable horses throw off the foolish charioteer. We stop here today. I'll come with more of gems from Vidur Niti in the next video. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for visiting this site.